Getting a clip of my dad's 82. Can't wait to get that back going. But anyway, that ain't about this video. That ain't about this video.
You didn't get my tag on that though, did you?
Yeah, I got your tag. They finna come get it. I'm just playing. Hey, it's over with. It's over with.
I'm legal.
I'm just playing. What you worried for this? Now we finna go look at his we finna look.
I got 6 baby mamas. Them bitches get jealous.
No, we finna go check out my dad's Chrysler 300. We got the headlights going in it, and I'm doing the before, and then I'll do an after. So that's what's going on right now. Now we need to check the grill race already. Don't show his tag.
I won't.
Now you can kind of show it. That's his car. It's a kind of project. We got wheels on it. He just done some suspension work on it. We can just do all this. We got I'll put the grill in there. The little plastic piece is new. We got to do the fog lamp. I don't know why I didn't order the fog lamps ahead of time. Hold on. And then we got these getting replaced because they're busted. I don't like them. But we got the Bentley grill. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but it reminds me of a Bentley, so that's why I ordered it. And then,
you want to show them a comparison?
Yeah, we'll show them. Here's the new one you got to show them. Here's the new ones, halos. Look bomb. These are not scratched. If you can get that in the camera, it's just smudgy. Okay. But yeah, that's gonna look good in there.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it's the 06 Chrysler 300. Really taken care of. He's got a lot of stuff he wants to do to it. I think he's gonna eventually get it painted. So.
Oh yeah, I think he. I don't think he's decided on the colors yet though.
Yeah. And then he talked about wrapping it, but honestly, I think it'll look good. But I don't think he's gonna be happy because if it crack, it's over with.
Oh yeah.
Because he's too picky. But so that's what's going on today. I wasn't expecting to do it today, but you gotta take care of your folks. So that's what it is. So these are gonna come off. I'll put the new ones back on. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll put you back on when I got the new ones in. Got the lights off in there. I think I shorted something, I don't even know. Real easy. I had to swap a bolt out down there because it wasn't the right one, but it's whatever. Nico, what you think of these lights, Kifo?
Fed, man.
He said fed.
Go hard, boy. Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna hold this corner?
Yep.
Just kind of hold them. And they're supposed to be 3 10mm bolts, 2 on top, 1 on bottom. Somebody rigged it up on this one, so I swapped it out. I took this bolt that was on the bottom and swapped it. You can't see underneath here, but there's actually a wrong screw until I find another one. But pretty much everything was plug and play. I'm gonna turn them on and show you. Hold on. I like that.
Oh, those are nice.
Did you see it?
Oh yeah.
You didn't see it yet when I was doing all that, did you?
Mm-mm.
So that look good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Turn those in.
Top of the line halos.
Yeah. Hold on. You see the signals?
Yep. Signals are working.
Did they see it?
Yeah.
Put it all back together. And my good stuff. You lucky in my dad. That would not be doing me. I'll put this grill in there too. I pretty much did all this. And the fog lights are next. Oh, crap. Hold on. I don't know if it'll be alright. It's too much foundation. No. I'm about to. When I get it back on, I will. What's up? As soon as I can get it back in there. There we go. Video still going?
Yep. We're at 3 minutes now.
You like it?
Oh yeah, they look a lot better.
Way better than the motherfucker. Like, and that Halo too. Nasty. Get it back off in there. One of these I had to put in ahead of time.
Yeah, he's taking pretty good care of this car.
Oh. Oh, I left that out because I can get to it from that end.
Good job! Take it off! Take it up there! Take it up there!
There we go. Now you gotta put the push pins in there and 10mm on each side. It'll be beautiful. Oh, and I gotta put that light back in there. I freaking think.
That thing you had to get the dad's stuff to? This one of the things you had to get dad's pliers to grab?
No, that was that tool. It wasn't. It was a bolt I had to get it off. So you don't let people mess with your stuff that don't be doing this. It's hard. And it's about to get painted anyway, so it's all right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's for this side.
We supposed to look crazy.
What are you looking for?
10mm. Add it over here. You gotta have your snap on it.
You ready? Jerusalem challenge gone wrong!
What y'all doing, TikTok?
They're doing something.
Boy, almost forgot you was recording. Now I'm putting 10mm in here. I always just take this one out and the other one slide out, but I think there's actually another bolt or so. But usually when I take this 10mm out, it just slides right out with all the rest of the push pieces. So, yeah.
That is funny.
I think we should go back white, but with like pearls and stuff.
Oh yeah. I was thinking maybe like a yellow with black streaks.
No, no yellow. No yellow. Pearl white.
I think a silver would be good on this.
I'm about to be adjusted. I don't like that.
Mother and daughter.
Oh shit.
Look, his face is getting fat. I told him he was getting too
You're ready to
down.
barbecue for it.
Too many cheese.
The fish, catfish. Yeah, me too. It didn't break your bracelet. You go that Oh, how pretty!
Is that a pretty good Easter so far?
Oh yeah.
We got a lot of food, didn't we?
Oh, got it pretty. We ate it pretty quickly. Hey, you can't blame me. Mama makes it pretty good.
Huh?
Mama made it really good.
Yeah. Yes, always.
I don't know what Dad put on my plate though.
You put all that on there.
The cheesecake, yes. But the mountain of strawberries and 2 pieces of bread, no.
I'm trying to put you to sleep. I'm trying to give you that sugar diabetes. I really wanted to use my grill, but I forgot my adapter. I couldn't use it like I wanted to. The little cordless thing I was showing you while ago.
That's a professional mechanic right there, Matt
I
Dillon.
ain't professional. I'm shade tree certified.
Certified Matt Dillon.
Happy Easter. Hippity hop, hippity hop.
Does this look better?
That look video done?
No.
No.
Oh, yeah, I'll get back. Oh, come here, Cookie. You already know. Ooh, over there.
It look good down there. Get my push pins back in there. Get my good clothes, Connor. What's going on?
You're the only one showing up here with those clothes on though.
I know.
Those colors. And I thought everyone's gonna be wearing it too.
I know. They tricked me. Get it in there. Ooh. Oh yeah, that was way good. Was that for mine or yours?
Mine.
Oh, that was yours?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that looks good. I gotta do a little adjustment on this side, but this is pretty much what it looks like. Hang on, let me. Did I do the video with the lights on and everything?
Yeah, we just turned the lights on a second ago. Well, it really just took a little thing.
You wanna Hold on. Oh yeah, that looks good. Next is the fog lights.
Oh yeah.
Yep, went from these fogged up cloudy things. Here's the other ones. Here's the other one. To these, the halo. Nice. Hey, that looks good. I ain't even gonna lie. That looks good. Now we got to do the fog light, so I'll be doing that soon. I got to figure out what I'm gonna do or which ones. If I can find some same brand as those, that's what I'm gonna do. Throw those off in there. But if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Hope everybody's having a good day and all that good stuff. Peace.